Meaning of downhearted.
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 Downhearted. The term downhearted refers to a feeling of sadness or discouragement. When someone feels downhearted, they may experience a sense of hopelessness or despair. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as a recent disappointment or setback, ongoing stress or anxiety, or a general feeling of dissatisfaction with life. Typically, people who are downhearted may display certain physical or emotional symptoms, such as fatigue, moodiness, irritability, and a lack of motivation. It is important for individuals who are experiencing these symptoms to seek support and help from friends, family, or mental health professionals.